Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I'm really happy that you're here. I love drawing and that's basically why I started this channel on YouTube. Because every step I take on my creative journey, I'd like to share it with others who are also on a creative journey. So let's do this together. Today I want to give you a sketchbook tour because I finished another one. On average, I fill one sketchbook a month. Maybe I take a little bit over a month. So let's say 10 to 11 sketchbooks a year. And that's because I have this drawing practice in which I actually draw almost every day. And you will see that in my sketchbook as well. Sometimes I do a few drawings a day, sometimes I do just one, a quick one. Sometimes I skip a day. It really depends on how my day goes, but I always prioritize. For example, my little office here at home is a huge mess, but this has my priority. And that's why I'm filming this Draw Tip Tuesday right now before cleaning up. I prioritize it because I think it's really important and also it's fun. It's a creative process. A process like making a video, a process like making a drawing. It gives you a sense of accomplishment after which you can do other stuff with more ease and more sense of joy, perhaps. So first things first, I'm going to give you a tour and after that I will take care of the mess in my office. Never forget to put your contact details in the front of your sketchbook. It's a great way to loosen up and start your sketchbook. Yeah, so these are my daily drawings. They were online sessions. This was actually done during an online course I took with Melanie Ream and Veronica Lawler, which was really great. And I was thinking maybe I shouldn't put it in my sketchbook because they are lessons and I will be messing up. But I'm so glad it's now part of the story of this sketchbook because I learned so much and I had such a fun time during a few hours. And after that, I actually really changed a little bit of my angle. Literally, see, this one is from a standing point of view and this one is from sitting down. So a worm's eye point of view. Sitting in the kitchen, two different views on a messy kitchen cupboard, kitchen counter. Session drawing hands, lots of self-portraits in this sketchbook. I don't know why, it just happens sometimes that I feel like drawing myself often. Also, we went into lockdown again in the Netherlands, so that might have something to do with it. You know, being inside a lot and having less different views. This is my dad. I went for a little walk, a little sketch walk with him. It's so great to be able to draw with my father. My husband on the couch. 3 different angles on one same subject. That was a really fun session. From the kitchen counter, in the living room, kitchen again. View from the pantry, very interesting indeed. My husband doing a music session with his band online. More self-portraits. My husband in the kitchen. And then before you know it, you're at the end of a sketchbook. Just like that. I hope you enjoyed that. For me, it's always great to look back at sketchbooks. And I will soon also post a sketchbook tour that is from quite a few years ago, because sometimes it's really great to look back where you came from to realize where you are right now. And also you might actually get some ideas from those very old pages. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you do a drawing today and enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my email list, because I am working on a book about drawing. It's very exciting. It's all coming together, and I just really want you to be able to read it. So if you sign up for my email newsletter, I can keep you posted on it, on the progress and where to buy it once it's there. I will put the link below the video. Also check out my Patreon page, link down below the video as well. That's it for now. Go draw. Bye.